Transitioning from an individual contributor to a people leader is a rewarding step in your career. Developing strong leadership skills not only empowers you, but also supports the growth and performance of your team. Let's explore the essential actions and mindset shifts that set successful leaders apart. Start by shifting your focus from individual results to team outcomes. Recognize that your success now depends on how well your team performs. Set clear goals together, celebrate collective wins, and provide support as needed. Develop your communication skills. As a leader, active listening, clear instruction, and constructive feedback are vital. Make sure team members feel heard and valued, and maintain transparency when sharing information. Delegate responsibilities to empower your team. Trusting others with important tasks not only develops their capabilities, but also allows you to focus on strategic leadership activities. Invest in your team's growth by providing mentorship and development opportunities. Encourage learning, recognize achievements, and support career progression to inspire motivation and loyalty. Adapt your mindset to embrace challenges and learn from setbacks. Leading people involves navigating change and uncertainty, so demonstrate resilience, remain open to feedback, and model a positive attitude for your team. Stepping into people leadership is an exciting opportunity to amplify your impact and shape the future of your organization. By focusing on your team, communicating clearly, empowering others, investing in growth, and leading by example, you'll be well on your way to becoming an outstanding leader.